Slightly larger mirror face than the standard rearview mirror, and adjusts to driver's height, FMV approved. Perfect fit for all vehicles with standard mirror mount. Installs effortlessly using only a screwdriver. Average of 40% savings over dealer replacement. Manual thumb switch switches from day to night setting for more comfortable driving. CIPA's line of day, night mirrors are the perfect replacement for your factory-installed mirror. This 10-inch mirror attaches to the windshield on a swivel mount, and can be tilted to reduce the brightness and glare of headlights shining directly at eye level. The front and rear internal faces of the day-night mirror glass are not parallel to one another, allowing a manual tab adjustment to switch between day and night positions. In the day position, the front face is slanted and the reflective backside provides a strong reflection. When in the night position, its reflective rear face is slanted out of line of the driver's sight. Since the non-reflective front allows the majority of the light to pass through, only a tiny amount of light is reflected into the driver's eyes. This means an increase in both safety and comfort at a fraction of dealer costs. Also available in an 8-inch design, part number 31000, 12-inch design, part number 33000, and a design featuring map lights, part number 36000. Fits OEM mounting on all cars, trucks and vans. Mirror mounting adhesive not included. Bracket is included. FMVSS approved. Expand your horizons. Top reviews from the United States. Fits directly over the original windshield mount. Bought this as a replacement mirror for my 2009 Crown Victoria. The original mirror would not attach to the windshield mount anymore. So I bought this reasonably priced as a replacement, which easily fit directly on the original windshield mount. Holds into place by a Phillips screw. Mirror is steady in place while driving and day-night function works fine. I was impressed for the price.